everyone, my name is Sharath and I am here to help you improve your English, Telugu, Hindi and Sanskrit conversational skills. I hold my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. I have been teaching English as foreign language to students from beginner level to intermediate level. Also, I come from a country where 19,500 languages are spoken as native languages. Can you guess which country am I referring to? Of course, it's India. Being born and grown up in such a diverse nation, I know what it's like to learn a new language. At times, it can be really challenging. But once you get enough clarity, things get much easier. I'll do my level best in making our lessons enjoyable. My main focus is on communication so that you can improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation. A language is not just words, it's a culture. So I look forward to meeting you and know more about your culture. See you in one of my lessons. Till then, bye bye. Namo Namah. Sarvesham Swagatam. Mama Nama Sharatah. Aham Samskritam Adhyapaka. Samskritam Atyantam Sarala Bhasha. Samskritena Sambhashanam Itopi Saralam. Ata Mahamrityunjaya Mantram Udgayati. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनां मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृताम् त्वां धन्यं वदामि पुनः मिलामः आगच्छामि तावत् నమస్కారం నా పేరు శరత్ నేను మీ తెలుగు భాష సంభాషణ నైపుణ్యాన్ని పెంపొందించడానికి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాను నా మాతృభాష తెలుగు నా జన్మస్థలం హైదరాబాద్ నేను మీకు తెలుగులో అక్షరాల నుండి పదాల వరకు పదాల నుండి వాక్యాల వరకు వాక్యాల నుండి వ్యాకరణం వరకు అన్నీ నేర్పించగలను అంతేకాకుండా నా పాఠాలను అత్యంత ఉల్లాసభరితంగా ఉంచడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాను మీరు నా పాఠాల తర్వాత తెలుగు స్పష్టంగా మరియు అనర్గళంగా మాట్లాడగలరు అయితే ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం త్వరగా మీ మొదటి పాఠాన్ని నాతో బుక్ చేసుకోండి सभी को नमस्कार मेरा नाम है शरत मैं आपको यह हिंदी सिखाने के लिए हूँ मेरी माँ की बोली हिंदी है और मैं दक्षिण भारत के एक मुख्य शहर हैदराबाद में पैदा हुआ हूँ मैं किसी भी स्तर के छात्रों को हिंदी बोलना सुनना और लिखना तीनों सिखा सकता हूँ और मैं अपनी पाठों को अत्यंत आनंददायक बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ और मैं आपको विश्वास दिला सकता हूँ कि मेरी पाठ लेने के बाद आप बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोल सकते हैं तो तुरंत मुझे संपर्क करें मैं आपके लिए इंतज़ार करता हूँ मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स इक्वेशंस computations or algorithms it's about understanding hello my name is Sharath I'm a graduate in electrical and electronics engineering and fortunately I'm a gold medalist in my bachelor's for academics I've been working as online tutor for 5 years and I generally teach math, physics, Telugu, Hindi and English languages. I prefer students of age group ranging all the way from 3 years to 22 years. In mathematics, however complex the problem may be, there are mainly 4 basic steps involved in solving a problem. Yeah, it's that simple. The first step is to analyze the given data. Secondly, choose a strategy. Third important step is to apply the chosen strategy. Finally, the last step is to check the solution at the very end. In my lessons, I'll be using different strategies, methods and techniques in order to solve a particular problem, be it related to pre-algebra, algebra, arithmetic, pre-calculus, calculus, geometry, trigonometry, probability and many more. In addition to this, I'll also be sharing you the knowledge of ancient Vedic math techniques which helps you to solve complex calculations in seconds without the use of calculator. Sounds crazy, right? But it is possible with all my experience in teaching and clearing various national level Olympiads and exams like GRE. I can assure you that I would be of great help to you in understanding the concepts of math very easily. So what are you waiting for? Come book your first lesson with me. Remember, the time is always right to do what is right. Hope to see you in one of my lessons. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning. Namaskaram.